Oh my god, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We got a new package from Jegs today. Should be a fun one. For those of you who don't know what Jegs is one of the largest companies in the US that sells everything car related, anything from tools, equipment, or even car parts. They have just about anything, and they even have their own line of products, and they just sent me one of them, and we're gonna go ahead and open it up. This is my daily driver, 1986 Chevy C30 single cab dually, and it came original as a dually from the factory. This is probably one of my most favorite vehicles I've owned other than my Caprice, but she gets the job done. And I also have a 12 valve diesel Cummins that I'm gonna go ahead and put in here. And for those of you who say I'm capping, it's right here, buddy. As of right now, I have an automatic transmission to go with it, but I want to put a stick in it, so if anyone wants an automatic Dodge transmission, message me. That's pretty much the situation with my truck, and now Jegs has decided to give a lending hand and help me give old girl a facelift. For those of you who didn't know, Jegs makes their own roll pans, and on the plus side, they are super affordable, and it was actually really surprising because I had no idea. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, see how well it fits. Now, thanks to Jegs sending me the roll pan, I can get rid of this bulky old thing, and we'll have a nice, clean, sleek look on the back of the truck. God, I love the look of this truck. This is gonna be the first actual body modification to the truck since I bought it. I am super excited if you can't tell. All right. Gotta get up, man. Oh, snap. Here we are. Oh, man. Wow. Here we go. Oh, check it out. Oh, snap. It's upside down. Check it out. It also comes with all the hardware and the 2 inserts to mount the license plates. You can do it all in one buy. Check this thing out. It looks beautiful. It is going to look so good on the truck. Now it is time to take the back bumper off and get this thing on. Oh my God. I think it's now that time to give you guys a little bit of an update on the progress that we've made with the roll pan. Let me turn the old dinosaur off real quick. She's screaming over here. But we have the roll pan fully welded on the truck. Now, you have an option when installing these. You can either bolt it on with the self-tapper screws and bolt it to the truck and then try and find a way to bolt it right here and here and there and there. But honestly, the best way to do this to prevent all the rusting to come out of the cracks and all of the problems that you'll experience later on down the road is to weld it to the truck, but you want to make sure you weld these things really good. I went ahead and MIG welded this, and I got the wire to go way up in the crack, and then I welded it right on top of every screw hole, and then I took the screws out, welded the holes up, and I even welded up in the crack to give it some more support, and then I went ahead and grinded that out a little bit. And also, this is very important as well, so if you get anything out of this video, get this. Down under the truck in the back side, up in the corners, you want to make sure you weld this thing all the way. There's probably going to be a good big gap that you need to go ahead and fill, but I promise you want to do this and then round it out and make it all strong, because if you don't do that, later on you'll experience some cracking and possibly even some rust coming out of those cracks later on down the road. Now I'm gonna go ahead and install the license plate light and get the license plate on the roll pan. All right, here is the light that came with the kit. My dad, he has a 4-door dually, and actually let me show you guys what that thing is looking like. We just finished it up and it's actually at the house. finally, so I can show you guys. So check it out. This is his dually. He has pretty much the same exact truck, 1 year off. Mine's an 86, his is an 85, and we just flamed this thing out, did a bunch of work to it, and he's actually got a front roll pan and a lip on it. This thing came out absolutely beautiful. And like I said, it is the same truck, just one more extra door. For his roll pan, we had gotten this one and installed it, but it didn't come with a license plate light, so we actually still need to get him a license plate light. And his did not fit as good as mine did from Jegs. I am actually super impressed on how well this roll pan fit for the amount of money that it costs. Now, back to the light. It's pretty simple. It's got 2 wires. I'm basically just going to butt connect it to my existing wires, which are back here. I just cut them off of the lights that were on my bumper. And this thing literally just bolts up with 2 screws. Super easy and super simple. So we'll get this thing on and then get my license plate on. So, since the old guys from the 80s didn't do anything right to this truck, I've been having to go back and chase all the mess ups pretty much since I've owned this joint. And this is one of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix all the wiring for the light while I'm here doing it. So it'll be nice when I'm driving. Check it out, we got the roll pan primed and sealed up so it won't rust. Now this obviously isn't perfect, but it's definitely good enough for what I'm trying to do. And it'll definitely hold up until I'm ready to do all the bodywork to the whole truck, because I'm gonna do it all at once when I'm ready to paint. Now I know there's probably some of you thinking, what am I gonna do now about towing my car? Since I took my other tow package off and now I have none, I just ordered that this week, so it'll be coming in sometime next week. So I will be doing another video on how to install the roll pan specific tow package. It's really nice and it tucks away, and I'm also getting a little license plate hinge so it flips up and I can just put the tow hitch directly into this hole right here. I want to give a super huge thanks to Jegs, and I do have to say this thing fit really good. No modifications were needed other than cutting out the little area for the license plate little groove right here. If you want to go ahead and get one of these, the link will be in my bio along with other roll pans for other model trucks. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next week when the tow package comes in. Peace.